Aishwarya, the Chief Minister is saying that they're only investigating the allegation of horse trading by the BJP, and that is why these notices have been served to several ministers, MLAs, including the Deputy Chief Minister and the Chief Minister himself. How do you read the current situation? Numbers are also going to be key. At the end of the day, they are going to decide, what weight each camp gets. How are the numbers placed right now?
Gehlot has basically flexed his muscles. He has gotten in touch himself over the telephone line personally with 84, and I repeat, with 84 Congress MLAs, which include 8 of those who were said to be in the Sachin Pilot faction. And this has something changed the whole situation because as you mentioned, it all comes down to the numbers. So Sachin Pilot has been reduced to bare minimum of 17 to 18. So now it is making Sachin Pilot's position very, very untenable. Ashok Gehlot, whether it's using his police, whether it's using his SOG, he's basically flexing his muscles and then getting in touch with 84 out of 102, beg your pardon, 107. If you include those 6 BSP MLAs who have joined Congress. So if he is in touch with 84, that means there is no trouble for his government, and that is something which is a very, very disturbing news for Sachin Pilot's faction. And now, if that news goes on, those 17, 18 MLAs will also start dwindling around. Hence, Sachin Pilot, we are being told, is in a desperate attempt to try and talk to Rahul Gandhi, because he has not been able to get through Sonia Gandhi. He met with Ahmed Patel late last night. He met with KC Venugopal. He basically met with Avinash Pandey, but he has not been able to get through either with the Gandhis, and that's why he's trying to meet with Rahul Gandhi at around 5:30, though that is yet not confirmed. Hence, he understands that this is the third time he has tried to turn a mutiny in Rajasthan Congress. And if he fails this time around, it's going to be very, very difficult for him to even maintain that position of the Deputy Chief Minister. Because now you have the MLAs, now you have the ministers openly naming him and saying that agar aapko jana hai to aap jaake dikhaiye. If you want to go and try. Because Ashok Gehlot using the local cops, sealing the border, making it very difficult for those MLAs who wanted to leave Jaipur. And that is something which has had a reverberating impact onto the MLAs as well, which were already in Delhi, because 4 out of those have now gotten in touch with Ashok Gehlot, according to our sources. And this is something which is dwindling numbers in the Pilot camp. And hence, Sachin Pilot now once again trying to reach out to Rahul Gandhi. That has yet not happened. So it's up to the Congress party to basically decide that whether they would once again want Ashok Gehlot and then Sachin Pilot's duo to come back into Rajasthan, or are they okay if Sachin Pilot part ways?
Yes. All right. Clearly, this is something that has played out ever since the Congress government came to power in Rajasthan. And perhaps the Congress as a party as well needs to find some sort of a final solution to this, because having this sort of situation arise, regardless of who is behind this and what are the real reasons, doesn't really augur well for a government. They cannot be seen as stuttering as far as their 5-year term is concerned, which was of course earned after much jostling with the BJP.